I just earned $6 in less than 3 minutes. Okay. What is up, divas and divos? It's your girl, Nikki, the Deophonic Diva, and welcome back to my channel where I show you how to either make money or save money. And today is your day, divas and divos. So many of you have been asking me to review certain free gift card apps, and I'm taking you up on your offer. You hear me? So today, yes, I am going to try some of those free gift card apps that you divas and divos have suggested to me. So I want to get on with this video because I can't wait to see if any of these are good ones, okay? If you are not yet a diva or a divo, you're not left out of the party. Don't forget to like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. So let's get into the video because I am eager to try these apps. And just so you know, if it don't work out, it's for y'all divas and divos. Okay, divas and divos, so what I'm going to do is I will shout you out if the app is good. If it works, I'm gonna shout you out. If it doesn't, I'm not gonna put you on blast. Do we have a deal? The first one that I am going to check out is called Upvoice. So Upvoice, I'm looking into my phone. Let's go up in here. Upvoice has 5-star ratings, but there's only 3 of them. Okay, so that makes me a little bit nervous. Let's check this baby out. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna start filling this stuff out, okay? Okay, so there is a cloud response, some kind of error, okay? So this is not working out. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna try this again. Okay, so the same thing just happened. So guess what? The person that recommended that to me, thank you very much. I appreciate you recommending Upvoice to me, but so far on my iPhone, it is not working. So we're gonna move on to the next one. The next one is Current app. So apparently with Current, you can get paid to listen to music. So I'm all in. If this works, I'm in. So let's check it out first before we go saying who recommended this to us. So I'm gonna go ahead and create this account and everything, and then we'll get into the app. So I went ahead and I put in my favorite genres of music, but here's the thing, I'm not quite understanding what it takes to like get free gift cards and stuff. So that's like all I care about. All right, get paid to play. Here we go. Check out current rewards and get paid to play. So I'm gonna tap this button right here. Invite your friends, and then you'll receive up to 500 points and 5% of their music earnings for each friend that signs up. I don't want to do that. Okay, so Current app, it seems like they want me to spam my friends and send them text messages and have them accept and actually use the app before they will give me points. And then I'll get like 5% of whatever they earn or something like that. I'm not quite feeling that. I'm not gonna send my friends text messages asking to do that. And then it says music charge and earn, get paid for every second you charge. I'm not sure what that is, but it's only available on Android. So if you have an Android or you're interested in actually sending those text messages to your friends, go for it. But yeah, Current app is not for me. I'm sorry. I'm 0 for 2 right now. Come on. All right, so this next one is called Zogo app. I have faith. I have faith. Let's keep the faith, y'all. Zogo. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. This one popped up. It has almost 5 stars. It's 2.6 thousand reviews. Let's see what's popping with the Zogo app. So it says it's the #1 app that helps you improve your financial literacy. I'm already liking the way that this sounds. We partner with financial institutions that reward you for learning about finance. Learn and earn, it's a win-win. Okay. This so far is sounding like something that I am all for. I'm so much for financial literacy. I feel like a lot of people are not well-versed in financial literacy. I feel like we could all learn something new. All right, I finally got it downloaded. Let's see what's popping with it. I'm excited. All right, so I'm gonna fill this out and then I will come back in a second. All right, it says that I'm sponsored by Diamond Credit Union. Don't know what that means. Maybe it's like because of my area. A $5 reward? Don't get too excited. Let's see what this $5 thing is going to require. I love Amazon, so let's just go with Amazon. And you earn 750 pineapples per referral. Oh, I got 320 pineapples. Okay, so the daily financial trivia starts at 9 p.m. every day. I'm going to join that party. Okay, so I just earned 97 more pineapples. In less than 10 minutes, I earned 417 pineapples. So the Zogo app is popping. So I want to give a shout out to Music Dopamine, who recommended this app. Thank you very much. I will be using this. Divas and Devos, I'm going to link them down below so that you can sign up for Zogo app as well. And thanks again to Music Dopamine. All right, so the next app is called Focus Loop. So let me go into my phone and see if I can find Focus Loop. Okay, pop right up. Bam. The app that pays you back. All right, so off the gate, first thing I'm noticing, it's 3 out of 5 stars. There's only 51 reviews though. So not that many people have reviewed it. So I'm not gonna pass judgment, but let's go into Focus Loop. Okay, so now I'm in. All right, so apparently I have to answer 13 questions. So give me a second. All right, so I just did 13 questions. It literally took me like maybe 3 minutes tops, and it says I have $6. So okay, Focus Loop, let's see. So you need a minimum of $20 to cash out. I just earned $6 in less than 3 minutes. So Focus Loop, yes, I'm for it. And this was actually recommended by Goose, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Thank you so much, Goose. I will be looking more into Focus Loop. That was a good one. So I'm like exhausted because this video was shortened so much, but this took a lot of my time. So I am about to peace out on this video, but please don't forget to like and share this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to Deal Finding Diva and turn on those notifications. I'm going to peace out on this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.